Learning how to change your baby's diaper can be intimidating, and if you're not careful, things can really get out of hand.
No.
In this video, we'll learn how to change your baby's diaper quickly, easily, and with virtually no mess. At the end of the video, I'll share my #1 pick for the best disposable diaper for newborns. If you want to avoid leaky diapers and messy blowouts, and trust me, you do, you definitely do not want to miss that information. So, stick around. We're back this week with another installment in our Baby Basics series where we cover the basics of newborn care. We're gonna cover a lot of useful information in this video, but if at any point you wanna skip ahead to the diapering demonstrations, feel free to do so using the slider at the bottom of the screen. I'm Matt, and this is Dad Good. We're a community of parents learning to cultivate happy, healthy relationships with our kids. We're creating free parenting resources, including video content, blog posts, courses, and more, all of which is available right now for free at dadgood.org. If you find the information in this video helpful, be sure to give it a like by hitting that thumbs up button just below the video. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to our channel and turn on all notifications to join the over 10,000 other parents and caregivers who've already done the same. Now, before we learn how to change a diaper, there are a few things that we'll need. First, a diaper changing pad like this one. Now, this is an important item because it holds your baby in a safe and secure position while she's being changed. We definitely do not want her rolling out in the middle of her diaper change like a transformer.
Autobots, roll out.
Whee!
Next, we'll need some baby wipes for cleaning up after the old diaper comes off, some rash cream in case we notice any red or irritated skin, and finally, everything's fine. Nothing broke. This keeps happening in my videos. Finally, a diaper. One more item that isn't strictly necessary but that I highly recommend is a diaper pail like this one. If you prefer the new baby smell to the sour milk and a hot dumpster smell, I highly recommend getting yourself one of these. It'll help control the smell of dirty diapers in your home. We've included links to these and other items featured in this video in the description below. The small commission we receive when you purchase through one of our links helps fund future content and allows us to continue making free parenting resources for people just like you. Now that we have everything we need, we can start learning how to change a baby's diaper. Now, the process of changing diapers is similar for both sexes, but there are some key differences to keep in mind. First, and regardless of your baby's sex, be sure to wipe within the folds every time. Now, this helps prevent unpleasant smells, skin irritation, and even infections. Second, and this is especially important for females, always wipe front to back. For males, point the penis downward to prevent leaks, especially at night when they're sleeping in longer stretches. And if your son is circumcised, be sure to ask your doctor about circumcision care. All right, so before we lay the baby down on the changing table, the first thing we want to do is get everything that we need out and put it on the table so that it's ready. We don't want to be hunting for these things while we're changing the baby's diaper. So we've got a wipe, a clean diaper, and the rash cream just in case we need it. Lay your baby down on the changing table, supporting her head and back as always. Unbutton her onesie and pull it up high and out of the way just in case there are any leaks from the old diaper. Take the new diaper, open it up, unfold the tabs, and place it under the old diaper like this. With a wipe in hand, disconnect the tabs of the old diaper, fold the diaper down, and begin cleaning your baby's bottom, remembering to wipe front to back and in all the folds every time. When you're finished, put the wipe in the old diaper, roll it up and set it out of your way while you look for any red or irritated skin. If you notice any, apply diaper rash cream to the affected area. Our favorite is Balmex, and we've linked to that item in the description below, as well as other diapering essentials. Finally, fold the new diaper up onto your baby's belly, holding it with one hand as you attach the tabs with the other. Click the link at the top of the screen to visit our website, where you can find our free diaper changing guide, as well as all of the other free parenting resources we've created so far. Now, with newborns, you'll notice a small piece of the umbilical cord sticks out of the belly button for the first couple of weeks of life. It dries up and falls off, but in the meantime, you're gonna wanna avoid covering it with the diaper. So once you have the tabs connected in the front, be sure to fold the front of the diaper down like this to avoid covering the umbilical cord. And we're all done. Look at you, sticking around like a fart in an elevator. You made it to the end of the video, so as promised, here's my #1 pick for the best disposable diaper for newborns. After 3 kids and countless diaper changes, my wife and I have found that of the major brands, the newborn diaper that is best at preventing leaks is Pampers. What sets Pampers apart is the elastic band at the top of your baby's thigh. It stays snug even as the diaper fills up. Some of the other brands, they don't do that so well. Now, this video is not sponsored by Pampers and we're not being compensated by them in any way, but we have included a link to our favorite newborn diapers in the description below. I'm Matt, this is Dad Good. If you found the information in this video helpful, be sure to give us a like, leave us a comment down below, share this video on social media, and finally subscribe to our channel and turn on all notifications so you won't miss out on future content from Dad Good. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for checking out our video on how to change a baby's diaper. Here are a few more videos that we think you'll enjoy.